Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gears of War 2 split screen on your Xbox One. First, make sure you have two Xbox controllers ready. Connect your second controller to the console, ensuring both are powered on and properly synced. Once your controllers are set, simply launch Gears of War 2 from your Xbox One game library. This classic game is fully backward compatible, allowing you to enjoy it on your current system with a friend right beside you. Once the game loads, the first player should begin a new campaign or select a multiplayer match. As soon as the game environment appears, the second player needs to press the start button on their controller. A prompt will then appear, asking the second player to select a profile. Choose an available profile or create a new guest profile if needed to officially join the game session. It's a straightforward process. After the second player joins, your screen will automatically divide into two distinct sections, typically one on top and one on the bottom. Each player will then have their own dedicated view, allowing them to control their character independently. This split-screen setup lets you and your friend experience the intense action of Gears of War 2 side by side. Collaborate on tactics, cover each other, and conquer the Locust Horde as a formidable team. To enhance your split-screen experience, remember to communicate frequently with your teammate. Clear communication is key for effective coordination and strategy. You might also want to adjust your television's display settings for optimal viewing comfort, especially with the screen divided. Most importantly, relax and have fun enjoying this classic game with a friend. Gears of War 2 offers many hours of thrilling cooperative gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.